All right, this is the Gleason Model 537 gear quenching machine. Maximum workpiece diameter 27 inches. Maximum workpiece height 7¾ inch.
We'll go walk around. So start off right in with the lower die area, obviously. The upper die is down. We got some covers off on the side and the rear. We can kind of see things with the camera. So there's the main seal for the lower die. And coming around the back side here, we've got the main quenching unit. Right here is the main quenching pump. It's a big guy. And all that up on top is all hydraulics. That's the main pulsing valve, gauges, everything in there. That's about it. Coming around the back side here, we've got the electric panel and the hydraulic system. Sitting here kind of temped in on a skid still, but we're fully functional at this point. We've got documentation in here, electrical drawings, hydraulic schematics, and an operator's handbook with the electrics coming in. Presently wired 480 volts. Pretty clean and it's all good to go. I said the hydraulics. Got a new system on here. And coming around to the front, the main hydraulic manifold with the Vickers valves. These are our pressures. When we're running, we'll be able to see some of this for the inner, outer, and expander ring. We're doing a dry run here. The quenching pump is turned off, but we're going to simulate a full cycle anyhow. We're up around 200-300 pounds on each of these, just to know that they work. And just quickly, we got the timers for the 3 phases that it goes through. Each one will time out. In fact, this one we can bring it down a little bit. We don't need that much time on there. Again, a dry run, that's why these switches are off. We're not asking for any quenching oil because there won't be any. But we have hydraulics working now. We'll throw pulsing on for a few seconds just to kind of watch that, to pulse the inner and outer rings. Jog forward, reverse, manual, we've got all of that right now. So we're gonna fire it up. I'll go in and out manual a couple times. And we'll do an auto cycle, 1 or 2 maybe. Tooling area is up through here. It's hard to see, but we do have the door here, so that's just kind of open right now. And we're good to go. So I'm gonna fire it up here. And I don't know if I'm standing. You want to stand on this side, or are you okay here? Just to do a manual deal here. There's lower die. Now we can bring the upper die down. This is all just a manual. Keep it going. Take that back out. So that all works pretty nice. Now if we switch over to automatic, come over here and the cycle start. Same process again, it'll come down automatically and we'll go through the whole timer sequence here. So let's get that going. Clamped up. Timer 1 just turned on if you want to catch that maybe. Just going about 10 seconds there. It'll clock out pretty fast. 5 more seconds and we switch over to number 2, which is about a good 20-25 seconds. And all that is to let it go gallons per minute across these valves here, how much oil you want to quench and for how long. So that one's going to time out here in a second. I've got them all turned off, like I said, right now. That one should be done. And now this one, start timing out. And if I wanted oil right now, we could just turn these on and give it the flow per that little tag right next to all these buttons here. As you pan over, we can show them. Coming up on end of cycle here, about 10 seconds.